Now our topic today is Pythagorean triplets. What is a Pythagorean triplet? If we want to know this topic, we should first know this Pythagorean. What does this mean? There is a Pythagoras theorem. There is a Pythagoras theorem which is used in triangles. But what actually it is? These are three numbers. These three numbers form a Pythagorean triplet. It is a general notation. How we can say that? Like we take a set of numbers, not for everything, not for every number it exists, but for a few definite set of numbers it does exist. So one of them is 3, 4 and 5. For this set, what we can say that 3 square plus 4 square will always come equals to the 5 square. It means 9 plus 16 equals to 25. So 25 equals to 25. See, it is coming equal. So 3, 4 and 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. Taking one more example of it, say there is one more set 5, 12 and 13. What is it? How we can say that this is Pythagorean triplet? This square of sum of first two numbers is equals to the square of third number. 5 square plus 12 square equals to 13 square. 25 plus 144 equals to 169. That is 169 equals to 169. As the sum of the squares of first two numbers equals to the third number, this means that 5, 12 and 13 is a Pythagorean triplet. Triplet means three, set of three numbers. So 5, 12 and 13 is a set of three numbers. So if we normally see, I said the general form of Pythagorean triplet is this. So how we can say that the set was 2m, m square minus 1, comma m square plus 1. If we check whether it is a Pythagorean triplet or not, so 2m square plus m square minus 1 square should come equals to m square plus 1 square. Okay, so starting with it comes 4m square, 2 square m square, the 4m square, plus it is a minus b to the power whole square. So m square plus 1 square minus 2 into m square into 1. This is our LHS. So 4m square plus m to the power 4 plus 1 minus 2m square. M to the power 4 plus 1 minus 2m square. Our question here is, write a Pythagorean triplet whose one number is 63. The question says here that we have to find a Pythagorean triplet. That is, we have to find a set of three numbers which forms a Pythagorean triplet. And this set was, general form was this. Yeah, the question says here that we have to find a Pythagorean triplet. That means that one of the number is 63, that is 2m can be 63, m square minus 1 can also be 63, m square plus 1 can also be 63. We don't know which actual number is 63. In Pythagorean triplet, the sum of first two always comes equals to the third. Sum of the squares of first two number always comes equals to the square of the third number. This means this 63 is given any one of the numbers, so we have to find that this 63 where would it lie. It will be first place, second place or third place. So if we start solving it, the place where m's value comes a normal number, that is the 63 would come at that place. That is 63 could come here also, here also, or here also, but we don't know where it will come. The first place is 2m. If we take, let 2m equals to 63, so m equals to 63 upon 2. This comes a fraction, so we won't take it. Not a fraction. M cannot be a fraction, so we will go for something else. Second number, m square minus 1. If we take m square minus 1 as 63, so m square equals to 63 plus 1. Value of m as 63 upon 2 is not the correct one, because we cannot take the value of m as fraction. So if we take this, m square equals to 64, m will come equals to root 64, sorry, m square equals to 64, so m square equals to 8 to the power 2, means m will be equals to 8. If we check for this, whether we are getting a normal number at this place, so the m's value will be 8. So what would be the actual triplet? If we take here, m's value is 8 and this is correct, so in generalized form it is 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. So as per this, m's value is 8, 2 into 8, comma 8 to the power 2 minus 1, comma 8 to the power 2 plus 1. Okay, so this will be 16, 64 minus 1, 64 plus 1. This will come equals to 16 comma 64, sorry, 63 comma 65. So this is our Pythagorean triplet with one of its number 63. What my point? Taking one more example, if it is given that one of the number is 8, or take it 5. One of the number is 5. We don't know which one will it be. Okay, so we will proceed with it. If we take 2m equals to 1, means actual set was 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. It can come here, here or here. It can come any place. If we take this, 2m equals to 5. So m will be equals to 5 upon 2. No, we won't take this, as this is coming fraction. If we take the other number, like m square minus 1, if we take it in place of m square minus 1, m square minus 1 equals to 5. M square equals to 5 plus 1. M square equals to 6. 6 is not a perfect square. The value, m value will be equals to root 6. This is not a natural number, so we won't take this too. If we take another form, say m square plus 1 equals to 5. This was not accepted as it is fraction, this wasn't accepted as it is a root number. If we take this, m square equals to 5 minus 1, m square equals to 2. Sorry, 4, m equals to 2 to the power 2, m equals to 2. Yeah, this is a normal number. So we will proceed with it. So what will be our general number? 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. So 2 into 2, 2 to the power 2 minus 1, 2 to the power 2 plus 1. This will come 4, 3, 5. This is our set, a triplet.